Your Android phone is tracking where you go, what you type, and what you say. And most people never turn it off. In the next few minutes, I'll show you the exact settings to shut this down, step by step. Why this matters. By default, Android collects your location, app usage, searches, and even typing behavior. It's not illegal, but it is optional. Location history, app usage, search behavior, ad tracking, Google services tracking. Let's start by turning off Google's biggest tracking tools. 1. Swipe up to Settings. 2. Scroll to Google. 3. Tap All Services. Personalize using shared data. This Google Apps share your location, messages, and searches. You don't need this. Usage and diagnostics. This sends Google details about which apps you use and how long you use them. Ad privacy. This is why ads follow you after conversations. Tap Ads, reset advertising ID, delete advertising ID. Security and privacy settings. Now let's shut down system-level data sharing. Back to Settings, tap Security and Privacy, scroll More Privacy Settings. Personal Data Intelligence. This allows Android to read messages and activity patterns. Diagnostic data. You don't need to send phone behavior reports. Android personalization services. Personalized content sounds helpful, but it's just more tracking. Keyboard and device learning. This one surprises most people. Tap Android System Intelligence. Tap Clear Data. Select All Time. Keyboard tracking. Your keyboard can learn from everything you type. Tap Keyboard. Turn Smart Text Suggestions off. That's it. Your phone still works perfectly, but now you control your data. Less tracking, more privacy, same phone experience. If this helped you, subscribe for simple tech tips that actually protect you.